Hey, what's going on, y'all? Coach David here with Outright Fitness with a part 1 of a how-to deadlift. In this video, I'm going to cover 3 things. I'm going to cover setting up the bar for deadlift. I'm going to cover breathing, and then I'm going to talk about going down from the deadlift. So this video is really for those who have never deadlifted before, or maybe you're just very new to it. So first, you need a bar, of course. I have a standard 45-pound bar. You need some bumper plates. So it's very important that you have some plates that are a standard bumper plate size, because I can choose a 10-pound plate and it's the same height as a 45-pound plate. You don't want to use a metal plate, especially on the smaller weights, because the bar is going to be too close to the ground. So you want to get a bumper plate that is light to give you options for warming up and getting into your deadlift. So if I put 10 on both sides, it's going to be 65 pounds. And many of you out there can deadlift that with no problem. But this is not supposed to be a challenge. This is supposed to be a warm-up. So in your warm-up, this is where you practice your technique. This is where you just get your body ready to deadlift, to lift a heavier weight. All right, so first, talking about setting up. So you want to walk up close to the bar or pull the bar in close to you. So my partner Erica is going to pan this camera around to the side. You don't want to deadlift like this. The bar is too far away. You can think about it in this sense. If I was standing this far away from the bar, it would be very hard for me to pick up that weight. The closer I get, the easier it is for me to pick up the weight. So you want the bar to be pretty much over your midfoot, almost touching the lower leg. So your first step in setting up is to bring the bar close to you. Now, the second part that I want to talk about is your breathing. Whenever you're exerting yourself, you naturally hold, you naturally brace, you naturally hold your breath. So before you deadlift, before you actually begin the lift, I want you to do that very thing. You're going to inhale deep, hold, and then you'll complete the lift. So you're going to inhale, hold, stand up with the bar, and then third, coming down is very important to minimize injury and to keep your lower back safer. When you come down, you want to come down the exact same way you went up, close to the body. So real quick, Erica, can you pan over to the side? You don't want to come down like this. Coming up, bar close to your body. Going down with the bar away from your body. You want to go down with the bar close to your body the same way you came up. So my setup again, the bar is close. I'm going to breathe in first. I'm going to hold, exhale, and then on the way down, I keep the bar close to my body. There's a lot more things that we can talk about with the deadlift, but I don't want to overwhelm you and give you too much. I'm going to give you those 3 things to think about and to work on. So first, get a standard bar or get a barbell. Get some plates that are standard bumper plate height. And then your setup, make sure the bar is close to your body before you start to go up. Breathe in, hold, brace as if someone's about to punch you in the stomach. And then when you stand up, exhale and keep the bar close to you as you go back down. I hope that helps you. Those are just 3 tips on how to deadlift. This is part 1. Let me know what questions you guys have out there, and we'll make a part 2. All right, good luck, peace.